I'm Chet Stevens, and this is Tyler Teeples, and we are owners at Elite Energy Solutions. Elite Energy Solutions was founded in 2009. We specialize in retrofit weatherization upgrades in residential, multifamily, as well as large commercial properties. We've insulated over 50 million square feet of attic and performed weatherization services in thousands of homes. We maintain a positive rating with the Better Business Bureau, and we pride ourselves in quality work and great customer service. We're BPI certified as a company, and we're also authorized contractors for the ThermWise rebate program, which is offered by Dominion Energy, the WattSmart rebate program offered by Rocky Mountain Power, and the Provo City rebate programs. If there's a rebate available, we know about it, and we'll help you get every penny back for work that we perform in your home.
At Elite Energy Solutions, we take a whole home approach to home energy efficiency. In order to find contributing issues to energy loss in your home, we will install a blower door in an exterior doorway. This blower door will depressurize the home, creating a negative pressure throughout the house. It will also tell us the total cubic feet per minute of air that is flowing through the home on a small device called a manometer. With the home under negative pressure, air will be pulled into the home through leaks which can range anywhere from the attic, the crawl space, exterior walls, windows, and doors. For example, a leaky attic is like having an open window 24/7. Another common issue is that combustion air that is piped into your furnace room can leak throughout your whole house if the furnace room is not properly sealed off from the rest of the home. Every home is different, and these are only two of the many examples of issues that we find.
Once we've identified and we've fixed all the accessible air leaks throughout your home, we're then going to check to make sure that the insulation throughout the home is up to current codes. Insulation in a home, it creates a thermal barrier to keep that conditioned air in and the outside air out. By ensuring that your home's properly insulated, you will be able to not only save money on your utility bills, but you're also going to be able to enjoy your space more comfortably with your family. We are able to complete all types of insulation jobs. One of the most common upgrades that we perform is attic insulation. We can add an additional layer of fiberglass insulation if your attic is under-insulated. We also offer the following services: spray foam insulation, which will both air seal and insulate. We can seal and insulate ductwork located in garages, attics, crawl spaces, or really any unconditioned space. We also do a lot of insulation in unfinished basements to make them more energy efficient. And the final thing that we do is we do sound dampening insulation. We can do it both in walls and floors.
Thanks for taking this time to watch this short video. Hopefully you found this information beneficial. Please feel free to call us with any questions or to schedule a free in-home estimate. You can reach us at 801-610-9779. We look forward to working with you and hope you have a great day.